So here we are again, man. Welcome back to another video, man. You guys already know, as you guys can see in the reflection, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. This is my dude's car right here. Make sure you guys tell him again your Instagram and everything else.
Savage_392.
Savage_392.
Give him a follow.
There you go, man. Make sure you guys go follow him. Follow this build. You see, he's in the garage right now with my dude. Concrete 392 is under the under the car. Hey, say what's up to him, man.
What up, YouTube? We still out here getting it ready.
There you go, man. So now this is a whole nother video, bro. nah, it's all good. But yeah, man. So my dude over there, Paul, aka Concrete 392, aka Backyard Mechanic, as he calls himself. That's a self-given name. But anyway, man, so he's here. You guys can see something else going on, man. That car is jacked up way in the air, man. We're going to tell him what you're doing.
You can take out the cats.
Woo! In the garage.
In the garage.
Cat delete.
In the garage with the big cat backyard mechanic.
And you already have mid-muff delete.
Mid-muffler, resonator gone.
So you're going to be straight pipe.
Straight.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. It's going to be
straight pipe.
It's going to be fun.
Man, and he got the 5-inch chips in the rear already.
5-inch chips in the rear. Oh
man, so his thing is gonna sound.
Some real people mad.
Yeah, for sure.
Gonna get mad for real.
So yeah, his car is gonna be that thing's gonna sound. He gonna blow everybody away, man. Like when he ain't gonna be able to hear us. So he
can't even talk.
Hey, exactly. So he's gonna be straight piped. What year is this one, man?
2018.
2018.
Yep.
So you got 2018 Destroyer Gray, like my man over there. Obviously, you guys know Concrete. You guys seen the last video, he just put the diffuser, his rear diffuser, he just put the new rear diffuser on there.
Wicker bill.
We did the wicker bill, we did the lenses. Actually, the lens is not even on yet, so I'll show you guys when it goes back on. But I did show you guys the paint and everything else. So yeah, man, you got a lot of things done over here today on this car, man. That's a big day for your mod list, huh?
Oh yeah, got to. Look at this man. This man's sweating.
Yeah,
man. He's doing all the work.
After all night, we just worked all night in the garage in the day.
That's what's up, man. So that's love, though.
Dedication.
There you go, man. So all right, man. So I'm gonna go and prop this camera down here. I ain't gonna get down there, but I'm gonna prop my camera on my little tripod so y'all can see this man going to work. Alright, man, so he just finished taking both the cats out, man. Look at this. So you guys see it in my video, man, like all I did was just literally, there's a pipe you could get from Stainless Works, and you know what I'm saying, then it becomes, it's just a straight pipe basically. But what he's gonna do is something a little bit different. So explain what you're gonna do here, man.
We're gonna pretty much take this jack handle and clean the catalytic converters completely out.
So you're just gonna gut them pretty much.
All out. Take everything out. It's gonna be just straight pipe all the way back out.
Like cleaning chitlins.
That's it. But you have to make sure you remove these gaskets. These gaskets gotta come off. This gasket right here, you gotta remove that.
Okay.
And you make sure you remove the O2 sensor before you do anything.
And just so you guys know, they did get the extended O2 sensor, so that way, hopefully the check engine light will come on. Right. There you go.
Use. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to drill that top open right there to make sure the O2 sensor passes right through and fits in. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to mess with it. I might just leave it on. I'll leave it on this time. Because that shit's a pain. This shit's like, yo, some shit's already like kind of funky. I don't know why is it up like that. I don't really want to mess with that shit. I'd rather just do it without. I mean, it's not really necessary 100%. The person that told me how to do it, told me to take it out. That way I don't mess it up.
Oh, what's Sam told you? What's Sam told you how to do it, right? You got it from him?
Manny.
Yeah.
Manny Mopar. Follow him on Instagram.
Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. It'll be on the bottom of the screen, man. Oh, and for sure, but with the project you're doing right now too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so make sure you guys go follow Manny.Mopars on the bottom of the screen, man. Go follow him. He got a crazy thing he's doing right, like literally right now to his Hellcat, man. So make sure y'all go check him out.
All right, so I didn't take that sealant or that ring out. I didn't bother to take it out, so I'm just gonna make sure I'm be careful with it, not to hit it. Shake it up. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, this is like fiberglass.
Oh shit!
What is that?
That's all
cat.
That's what slows. Yeah, that's what slows the car down. Wow.
So if you got, if you guys was ever wondering what the inside of a catalytic converter looks like, there you go.
That should be it. It's clean.
Breathing all that fiberglass and
That's
asbestos.
fiberglass, so careful. It might get in your skin, you might feel it a little bit, but shower when you get home, you'll be alright. Let me see.
Oh, let me show them what it looks like beforehand. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but
it's like a honeycomb kind of thing. It's not empty now.
Yeah, it's empty as heck. Look
Except for that.
at that, Joe.
completely empty. It's all the remains. All the insides that was in there, man. Look at that.
Alright, so what I'm going to do here, this is the spark plug non-fouler. This is what's going to move your O2 sensors backwards away from all the heat and the gases. That's the part number 42009. It's called spark plug non-fouler. So I'm going to drill a hole, starting with a 3/8 and finishing off with a 1-inch bit. Wow, I think it's a 1-inch, yes. So this is what the non-fouler looks like after it's drilled out. See the O2 sensor in there, and it screws on. No issues.
Nice. So you use the,
There's two of them you're gonna use. So the top one goes on afterwards.
no, I'm saying, but what size bit you using again?
3/8 and a 1. These gonna stack on top of each other. Now the O2 sensor is gonna end up way down inside of there, way out of the way of the exhaust. So it's not gonna burn, not gonna get damaged, and no check engine lights.
There you go. And then exactly. So the main part is, so you got no check engine lights with that.
That's it. That's the main part. Just like that. Just tighten everything up.
Done.
Exhaust goes back in.
Nice.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Alright, man, so as you guys see, man, they just finished gutting all the cats and everything else. My dude back under the car, he's about to put them back up. So as soon as they put them back up and everything else, then we'll come back, show you guys. We'll do the, not necessarily a cold start, but we'll start it up and show you guys how it sounds, man. And so my man over here just finished. He got the
got the Corona going.
he got the Corona
Advertisement. Hit my man for that.
well deserved, man. But you guys see, man. So he got the smoke. Thing came out good, man. Look at that. He got the smoke markers, front and back. We're gonna check it out over here. Look at the rear ones.
Still lights up.
Still lights up straight through it, man. He got the wicker bill. Nice and blacked out now. Looks dope. The rear diffuser. Right? If you guys see my last video, you guys seen when he was starting to do all this. And then now he got the catless delete. Cat delete. They sound good, man. They sound good. That they sound good, man.
Yeah.
You happy?
I'm very happy. Yeah.
Man.
You ready to co-star? How that's gonna be?
Oh yeah, your co-star's gonna be stupid.
Right.
Your co-star is gonna be
Co-star's
ridiculous.
gonna be ridiculous. Like, everybody's gonna wake up.
I know, right?
This is gonna.
You definitely got a lot chunkier in the back, man.
Yeah.
We ain't got some ass injections.
Yeah, right.
They definitely look good, man. Sound good too. Backyard mechanic over here did his work, did his job, man. Put in work today.
All done. Time to take a shower and get cleaned up today.
Yeah. Alright, man, so that is it. I gotta go to the side of the house, and that thing is so loud, man. So, on the side of the house, man. But there you go, man. So, my dude, man, Paul, like I said, Concrete 392, man, did everything to his 392. Came out dope, man. Came out super dope. Everything he did to it, like I said, it was some people may not agree with doing the things that he did, man, but it is what it is. And like I said, a lot of people that, you know, that mod their cars that way. So, anyway, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell like always, man. And like you guys know, man, I'm your boy Fatkat, and we see you all on the next one, man. Later.